Hi, this is nurse practitioner and attorney Joe Flores. I wrote a course, and I'll tell you why. I wanted one that's affordable. I wanted one that would teach people the real world of legal nurse consulting from the lens, the optics of an attorney, as well as a legal nurse consultant. And I've seen both sides. When I was a young man, just out of a fluke, just by chance, there was a very experienced and prestigious lawyer who needed to find a needle in a haystack. He kept wondering why all of these patients in a nursing home got pressure ulcers. They used to be known as decubitus ulcers, and they were losing weight. They were developing these pressure sores, but yet it showed on there that they were eating everything that was served to them. I found that needle in a haystack for him. And I gave back the medical records to he and another attorney, and she called me and said, Joe, come on in. We have a couple of more questions for you. Well, I was obviously intimidated by lawyers, but I answered the questions to the best of my ability. A couple of months later, I got the equivalent of 6 weeks of pay with overtime in the mail from the law office. I said, wait a minute, I don't take checks for something that I didn't earn. So I tried to return the check, and they said, buddy, your knowledge brought us a 7-figure settlement on a case. We didn't even have to go to trial. And it lit a match inside my soul. I said, this is what I want to do. So for years, as I was going through grad school and nurse practitioner school, in the bottom of my heart, I knew that I wanted to be a lawyer. And I knew that I wanted to find out negligence. Did they deviate from the standard of care? Causation, was it linked together? And damages, the most important of it all. If there's not long-term damages or unfortunately death, you don't have a case. And so I began, slowly but surely, reviewing all types of cases from 18-wheelers to nursing home cases. And so my book is very simple. It outlines the art of summarizing records, how a lawyer thinks, how you should be in tandem with them, how you work with them. The other part of it is marketing and service agreements, so you don't get burned when you work with an attorney. Often, the art of summarizing records, you need to know how to be organized. The general tips of being a nurse practitioner are very important. And how to summarize a case evaluation on each and every one of them, it's very important. Reviewing medical records is an art. Organizing them is an art. Working with the attorneys is an art, but it's also something that you already know. It's not some hidden talent. You've been doing it all of your nursing career. You just don't know it. I'll show you how to use and optimize the talents that you already have. Many people sell these courses for thousands of dollars, and there's no need to do that. Learn from the only trial lawyer who's been in front of a jury on a Monday morning and has been on the other side and has reviewed medical records. This is so important. And I want you to get a course that's affordable, that you don't have buyer's regret, that you get continuing education units, and that you feel good about after you bought it. Not only that, but you'll also get a 30-minute consult with me free after that. And we stay together networking. You may get a case on things that I might be working on, or somebody else that I know is working on. I know attorneys nationwide as well as legal nurse consultants. Let's work together and try my product. Thank you, and God bless.
For more details or to order Attorney Joe Flores' course, call 361-887-8670. That's 361-887-8670.